Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Amazon Fire TV Stick remote that's not working and saying it's stuck. If your remote won't respond, won't pair, or suddenly stop working, don't worry. These simple steps usually fix the problem. First, remove the battery cover from your remote, then take out the old batteries and put in new batteries. Make sure they are facing the correct direction. Weak batteries are the most common reason for the remote stop working. Next, restart your Fire TV stick. Unplug the Fire TV stick from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn on your TV and wait for the Fire TV home screen. If remote still doesn't work, pair it again. Hold down the home button on the home screen for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see a message on the TV saying the remote is connected. If the remote still doesn't work, use your iPhone, download the Amazon Fire TV from the App Store. Make sure your iPhone and the Fire TV stick are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. You can now control the Fire TV stick using your iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.